Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very small thing. I think I should not talk about, but uh, it is important to tell you because there are some people who doesn't understand uh, this kind of subtle thing. That is, sometimes we speak this language very well, yeah, and sometimes we get stuck and we think which kind of structure I should use to speak these sentences. So I want to tell you, my friend, English is a very different language. There are some sentence or some situation you cannot speak directly. Yeah, you can neither speak directly and not you cannot translate it. Yeah, for speak those sentences you have to use fixed sentences, that is use collocation is a group of word we always use at the time. Yeah, and for example, if I say in Hindi काम चलाना, how will I say this sentence in English? If I translate it word to word, i will I will wrong translate it. So there is a word make do. For example, I will make do with this camera, I will make do with this plate. This is how you can speak. So sometimes we find out this language difficult because of lack this thing. Yeah. In the beginning, I was getting stuck again, and I was thinking I am practicing very much. Every single day I choose different topic and try to speak this language so that I can fix my errors. Yeah, but with the time I have understood we need collocation to learn this language, to speak this language fastly. Yes, if you don't, yeah, if you don't want to learn anything but you want to speak this language flawlessly or continuously, you must have to learn collocation, my friend. If you don't learn, you will not be able to speak continuously. You will stuck again and again while speaking, and you will think, now I need to speak, I need to practice more and more. No, it's not about practice is very important. Yeah, but if you don't know collocation, you will not be able to speak continuously. So this thing I wanted to tell you. I think you all have understood. Bye.